How to make a cheap air purifier. It is a system that uses water as a filter to capture dust particles. In a very simple way with a technique that uses an air suction fan to let the air flow through the water and let the water absorb the impurities in the air to get clean air. It is an effective way to purify the air. And it also has a very low cost. It is a worthwhile investment in the long run. A very simple technique with a design that allows the dust filter system to work stably. Provides a constant amount of airflow because water is highly flexible and absorbs dust particles of all sizes. Without reducing the speed of the air flowing out, the smoothness provides stable wind force. The air that passes through the water will act to capture these contaminants from the air. And the moisture that evaporates does not have any negative effects on health because it is a dust capture system in the respiratory system of general living things.